Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give you a detailed review on Marvell chair, and if this is your first time here, then I am your host Prajwal Mukherjee, and let's get the video started. In this video, we are going to talk in detail about Marvell chair that costs roughly around 9k and comes with all features like the multiple locking synchronous pushback mechanism with 3 locking positions, adjustable lumbar support, 3D adjustable armrest and much more for a price of nearly 8k with a special 10% discount code we are going to share at the end of this video. So do watch this video till the end. I have divided this video into 3 sections. Firstly, we will talk about the build quality, then the different features, mechanisms in offer, and finally about the comfort and my experience after using this chair for 2 months. Also, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks along the video using which you can get this chair for around 7k. So, coming to the build quality, we will start with the headrest. So, as you can see, head quality is made from good quality mesh fabric and good cushioning, and stitches are also good and it should last you pretty long. The next part is the backrest. Backrest is one of the most important aspect of the chair, and here Marvell has done a top-notch work. We get a PP plus glass fiber backrest frame with nylon mesh, and being a open back design with high quality materials used in this one. This is one of the best you can get in terms of build quality at this price. And open back design and nylon mesh helps you in reducing sweat at the back and keeps you very cool during your work time. As you can see in the video, this backrest also extends till the end of the chair seat, and this design is very important if you want to sit flush with the chair in upright posture for long working hours. While having a look into the backrest, let's quickly take a look on the back frame as well. So as you can see, back frame supporting the backrest is made out of high quality materials like PP glass fiber as I mentioned earlier, and should give you a long life and give good support to the lumbar support housing. While we are here, if we move a little down, then we have the seat, which is one of the most important part of any chair. And coming to the seat here, it is made out of high quality soft fabric upholstery, a fancy name for the fabric used. The quality again here is good and gives good support for long working hours and does not generate any heat while sitting and working for long hours. Do note that this seat is not movable, and this seat doesn't give any additional thigh support that we find in high-end chairs. Then we have the 3D armrest, which seems to be made out of same material as back frame and is of good quality. That wraps up for the structure and the build quality, and now let's start with the features or the mechanisms that are on offer. First, coming to the headrest. Headrest comes with 2D movement and multiple locking positions up to 60 degree, and is very steady and will not change on its own. But I found that the movement is quite jittery, but it is not of a concern as you won't adjust every day, and the same goes with the height adjustment of the headrest. We do not have any locking mechanism, it's just a force push and pull, but I have to say once adjusted it is very steady. Now slowly let's shift our focus on the backside of the chair, where we have one of the defining features of the ergonomic chair, that is the lumbar support. We have a knob at the back side which we can rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise, using which we can push it front and back, and then we can adjust it manually up and down, and if you overdo it, just like I did, then this will come to your hand as it is a simple screw mechanism. I should say that this adjustment is more than enough, and we get a really good lumbar support here, and it was comfortable for me working long hours and I did not face any issue. Since I overdid it and I have the lumbar support in my hand now, let me show you a close-up. We get the same material and build as the headrest here with a curved shape to support your back curve. Towards the back side, clearly you can see how it moves up and down and how the front and back movement works with the help of a screw mechanism. Putting back to its place is also quite easy, and need not worry if it comes out to your hand. Then towards the side we have the 3D armrest, and this is one of the places where you can ask the seller to swap for a 2D armrest and save some money as the difference is negligible. I will show you how this is a 3D armrest now. By pressing the button that is present on the side, we can move it up and down, which is one dimensional, and you can release it at any point to get locked at that height. Then apart from the straight direction, we can move it approximately 20 degrees towards right and left for each handle, which makes the second dimension. Then you can push it front and back, which constitutes to the third dimension, and together it makes up for 3-dimensional movement, and hence it's called as 3D armrest. Now let's take a look into one of the most important mechanisms of this chair, that is the multiple locking synchronous pushback mechanism. You can slightly pull the lever which unlocks the backward movement, and as you move backwards, for every 2-degree backward movement, seat moves only 1 degree, and this is most important for comfortable backward reclinement. At any point, if you want to lock, you can simply push the lever inwards and will get locked based on the 3 positions out of which you push the lever is nearer to. To unlock, you need to pull the lever outwards and move a little backwards so that it disengages the lock, and once locked, it stays in that position until you unlock it. Also, you can simply lift the lever so that the gas lift mechanism kicks in, and if you are seated, it takes you down, and if you get up and lift it, it takes you upward for the height adjustment. Here's a small view on the bottom side of the chair so that you can see how everything is fitted. Then we have the tension knob at the bottom, which is rotated to adjust the tension of the chair, which helps you control how much resistance the chair has to offer when you recline backwards. Now coming to the final verdict of the chair that you have all been waiting for. As you can clearly see, the shape of the chair perfectly hugs me with its curves, and you can adjust the armrest exactly to the height and angle of your desk that is in front of you. As I'm shooting outdoors due to poor lights in the monsoon season, I'm just simulating the desk that's in front of me and hope you can connect. While working on the upright position, as you can see, the headrest does not give any support and comes into play only when you want to sit back and relax, or just watch a movie, or maybe relax listening to the meeting. The neck rest should suffice all the different height people. Also, while working, if you feel like adjusting your lumbar support, you can take your hand back and adjust, as this is an open back design, but I would highly recommend everyone to take some time and adjust once to your best comfort so that you did not keep adjusting now and then. Also, the 3D armrest is very helpful, as I usually get my mouse a little away and I can tilt it outwards so that my arm gets full support. Same with the keyboard as well, so that my arms get full support during the working hours. Also, I can take small naps on this chair itself during working hours. Also, one important thing I noticed is that multiple locking mechanism was not much helpful, as you either sit straight and work and relax back in free mode, and during my 2 months of usage, I never locked it in multiple positions. Also, I noticed that even if the armrest was straight or not adjusted correctly, still I didn't feel any stress on my hand. So if you want to save money, you can skip the multiple locking mechanism and 3D armrest and save up to 1000 rupees. The rotation of the chair is very smooth, as you can see. Even the wheel movement is very smooth, and base is made out of very steady material. Since I am in outdoors and ground has become soggy due to rain, I couldn't move the chair here and show it to you. Also, if you want to use it as a rocking chair, it gives very good experience while rocking. And overall, to put in simple words, this is one of the best chairs that you can get under 10k. And if you use our exclusive promo code that is on the screen, you can save up to 10%, and by swapping to 2D armrest and single lock mechanism, you should get this chair for around 7k, which should be a great deal. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and share it with all your friends, family and office group. And a special thanks to Ample Seatings for giving our subscribers a very special discount code. Thank you, have a great day, bye.